Are you looking to boost your trading skills but only have 20 minutes a day to spare? Then you might have heard about the 20-minute trader. But does this method really work? Let's dive into the review. The 20-minute trader promises a fast, simple, and effective approach to trading, requiring just 20 minutes of your time each day. No more sitting in front of screens for hours or dealing with complex strategies. But can it really deliver on that promise? The program is designed for beginners and busy individuals looking to get into trading without overwhelming themselves. It focuses on short-term strategies, making quick, calculated moves based on market trends. With easy-to-follow step-by-step guidance, even someone with no trading experience can jump right in. So what's the catch? Well, while it's marketed as a simple solution, trading always involves risk. The 20-minute trader doesn't eliminate that. It teaches you to make decisions quickly, but success still requires discipline, patience, and the ability to manage those risks. On the plus side, many users report positive results, especially those who follow the system consistently and learn from the resources provided. The strategy itself is beginner-friendly, but it's important to manage expectations. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success comes with time and practice. Ultimately, the 20-minute trader can be a solid entry point for anyone wanting to dip their toes into trading. It's easy, accessible, and can fit into even the busiest schedule. Just remember, as with any trading strategy, results vary, and you need to stay disciplined. Ready to give it a try? The 20-minute trader might just be the fast track to unlocking your trading potential. But as always, trade wisely.